Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the SL2 Holiday Bundle, which includes the 18 to 55mm lens, 75 to 300mm lens, SD cards, tripods, basically everything on this page. I'll bring everything up right now. So yeah, check it out. Strange enough, when Amazon said that the package had arrived, picture they showed had a different bag to what is showing here in the listing. So we'll see about that. Alright, so here is the box. I have a very small table. So this is the box. First up, 2 SD cards. Cool. They do have 2 SD cards in the photo here. SD cards, nice. Digital sleeve flash. This flash is junk, but I'm not too familiar with flash photography, so I might use this as like practice. Focus wide angle lens. .85 millimeter UV kit. Okay, so we have UV filter, we have CPL filter and FLD filter. I'm only familiar with UV filters and polarizing filters. I don't know what the other two are. Oh cool. Tabletop tripod. Flexible tabletop tripod. Alright, so I'm guessing my next videos, right, I'll put my camera right here and shoot towards me. So yeah, I might use this. Alright, digital camera accessory kit. We have screen cleaning fluid, microfiber cloth, mini tripod. See this type of tripod, this size? Don't use this for a DSLR. If you have a point and shoot camera, yeah, you can use it with this, but don't use this with your DSLR. You can use this even with a smartphone mount, maybe too, but don't use this with your DSLR. This is no good. Screen protectors, SD card wallet, 2 cotton swabs, 5 cotton swabs, sorry. Alright, this here is the backpack in the photo. Let's open it up. Very happy that they actually gave me the backpack that was in the listing. Because I was very confused. They showed me the duffel style backpack. I was like, wait, I didn't order the duffel style backpack. Right. This here is the Vivitar backpack. It is small. Wow. Right, tripod, water bottle. Let's open it. Alright, this is the inside. Camera will go on top here, your camera and your lens. They'll be pointing downwards. You have space for other stuff. Other lenses, batteries, chargers. Yeah, and whole bunch of other stuff you could put in here. Like this pocket's probably for like notebooks or something. Alright, let's put this away. And now for the main attraction. Not main attraction, not yet. Second main attraction. 75 to 300mm lens. This is kit lens. I've read the reviews. After 250mm it starts to get crappy. So probably wouldn't use it all the way up to 300, but maybe somewhere in between. Yeah, this is good. Alright. I'm not going to open this. Yes, now for the main attraction, the SL2. Ooh. Yes! My first DSLR. I'm happy. This is nice. 18 to 55mm lens. That's the kit. Ah, there's a junky card reader in here too. It's kind of transparent. Yeah. I'm not gonna use that, I have my own. Alright. So, yeah, that was the unboxing of the bundle. Might as well unbox the camera now. So, yeah, let's get on to that. Alright. Instructions. Whoa. This book is thick. Nice. Register your camera. I'm guessing this is probably insurance. No, it's not insurance. And that was the top part. Yes! Now we're talking. This is our battery, LP-E17 battery charger. This is your 18 to 55mm lens. Whoa, this lens is it's smaller. It has a smaller diameter than I thought it would. Kit lens. It ain't much, but it's honest work. Nice. Strap. Next strap. And in this partition, you see here. Dun, 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 dun. This is the DSLR itself. The SL2. It's kind of small, but that's good. They don't need a big hulking DSLR. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. I don't think it's much bigger than my point and shoot camera. It's definitely thicker. Yeah. SL2. Flip screen. Oh man, I'm gonna be enjoying myself with this flip screen. And I think the flip screen is also touch screen too. It's a flip touch screen. Nice. Alrighty, and that was my unboxing of the SL2 digital camera holiday bundle, which includes the SL2 kit lens 18 to 55, 75 to 300mm lens, flexible tripods, batteries, chargers, flash, filters, 2 SD cards, backpack. Pretty much all you need to get started. And in here has a small tripod. Don't use this tripod with a DSLR for the love of all things holy or nothing holy. Don't use this. Don't use this small tripod. Yeah, so that's my unboxing of SL2 digital holiday bundle. Thanks for watching. Any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye.